So in this video, I will guide you how you can link WordPress menu items and move them to Elementor. So first of all, let's say if a customer click on this find home button as an example, they should taken to this particular section. So how you can do this? You're gonna need to simply head over to the appearance and then click on this menus. Now once you click on menu, you're just gonna need to go for the custom links, and then you're gonna need to simply enter the name of that particular section. If it is about a section, or if it is property or any other name, you're just gonna need to enter the particular name. Then what you need to do is to make sure to enter the hashtag in the URL. Right now I don't have that, so I cannot show you the further process, but once you are done with this process, you're gonna need to select that particular section that you want to link that. So you just need to click on advanced and then go for the CSID. Then you just gonna need to enter it without hashtag this time. Make sure to enter the same that you are entering in this. Enter it just like so, and then click on the save button. So that's the way of how you can link WordPress menu item and move them to Elementor.